Devi asks, O Shiva, what is your reality? What is this wonder-filled universe? What constitutes seed? Who centers the universal wheel? What is this life beyond form pervading forms? How may we enter it fully, above space and time, names and descriptions? Let my doubts be cleared.
Some introductory points. The world of Vigyan Bhairav Tantra is not intellectual. It is not philosophical. Doctrine is meaningless to it. It is concerned with method, with technique, not with principles at all. The word Tantra means technique, the method, the path. So it is not philosophical, note it. It is not concerned with intellectual problems and inquiry. It is not concerned with the why of things. It is concerned with how. Not what is truth, but how the truth can be attained. Tantra means technique. So this treatise is a scientific one. Science is not concerned with why. Science is concerned with how. That is the basic difference between philosophy and science. Philosophy asks why this existence. Science asks how this existence. The moment you ask the question how, method, technique becomes important. Theories become meaningless. Experience becomes the center. Tantra is science. Tantra is not philosophy. To understand philosophy is easy, because only your intellect is required. If you can understand language, if you can understand concepts, you can understand philosophy. You need not change. You require no transformation. As you are, you can understand philosophy, but not Tantra. You will need a change, or rather a mutation.